What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the frozen state of Vermont. As soon as we got a 4x4, I had to come out and test it, and we have Dom with us as well today, testing out the car. He's enjoying the snow a lot, and this car, it's pretty good actually for what it is. So we actually drove here from New York and it held up all the way. The roads were slightly icy, but it handled pretty well. I didn't turn off the traction control. Traction control was on and it held up pretty good. The Jeep rated high altitude can handle the snow pretty well. Now we're gonna go into the Stowe town. So right now we are in Eden. We're gonna go into Stowe, and in true Cranks and Pistons style, we're gonna do some fun snow activities. Welcome to the Great American Roadways. The roads, I must say guys, it's been a lot of fun driving up and down here. Maybe the New York City roads are a little bit more intense, but these tiny single lane roads, windy roads in the mountains, they're a lot of fun to drive. And when we arrived in the night, so we really couldn't see what was around. In the day, it is so beautiful. It is not that cold today. It's around like 3-4 degrees. So the ice is actually melting a little bit. The roads are a little bit more wet. So I'm trying to be a little bit more careful. We have like a whole train of cars in the back. I'm not holding anyone up. I'm doing the right speed limit. So this shouldn't be any problem. But very soon, we're going to be doing a little bit of stunts. Hopefully do some snow jumping and go through some snow dunes. So I have to say, when we do the climbs, the CVT transmission glitches a little bit. So it's like a jump, skip, hop, and then it gets back into the normal rhythm, but it does skip a little bit. It's probably just because of the age of the car, but otherwise it's running pretty smoothly. I still have to go get it checked out though. So once we get back to New York, I gotta go check this transmission out just to make sure there's nothing else. And as predicted, it started showering now. This is gonna be a lot of fun in the rain. So the Jeep is also proving really well in the rain. It's holding up pretty well. But the activity after this in the rain, that's gonna be the most fun, and I am pumped. Knew what we brought wouldn't fit us. So we're gonna get suited up, kitted up so that we are nice and toasty on the ride. Okay. And we're gonna check this out. All the way in Vermont. Made only in Hong Kong. Made only in Hong Kong. Supposedly it's the best. Get it out. Like a black snowman. Check this out, guys. This is what we came here for. So this is gonna be our ride for today. So cool little Polaris snowmobile. And it's supposed to be hella powerful. It's the first time on one of these, on a Polaris actually. And something interesting. The accelerator doesn't turn like this in this, it actually goes like this. So you need to press that to accelerate. So we're gonna gear up. So what do you do when you lose control?
Let go.
All right, that's it. So Pillion is gonna go on first. And there's gonna be fire, guys. That was a fun right.
Guys doing a ski?
Halfway point, middle of nowhere, just ice. And it's what, 4 o'clock, and it's already sun is going down, and so now it's going to be a dark ride. That's going to be way more fun. Too bad we didn't get any rain.
Yeah.
That's okay. It's the first time in the snow. It's a good training for us.
Yeah, that's kind of a sketchy corner. Out of all the corners out here, that's the sharpest left-hand corner. Yeah, right off the bat.
Steve, you're going to show me something interesting, all things engine?
Yeah.
So-
So it's a 2000 Chevrolet Tracker SUV that's been converted for snow travel.
Crazy.
Grooming snowmobile trails. Custom built by a snowmobile organization in New Hampshire originally. It's never been used on the road. It's only ever been driven on snow trails in the winter for grooming and cleaning them up.
Okay. And this has like proper grip. It can climb a mountain easy,
It'll
right?
climb anything. It'll climb trees. It's got all sorts-
And it's got more stuff at the back as well
Yeah.
to pull it out, right?
Yeah, so that's what is used to clean up the trail. So it, it levels out the snow and makes it nice and clean, so that the snowmobiles have a nice, pretty trail to ride on.
Yeah. So are they basically riding on ice under, or?
No, there's no ice. It's just packed snow, real hard packed snow.
Oh,
So
okay.
this takes the bumps out and packs it in nice and hard so that it stays for a long time.
All right, that's awesome.
Yeah.
This is a new one. This is one of the first that we have seen.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
It is. Thank you so much,
You're
man.
welcome, sir.
Whew. Another terrain, another type of vehicle. Done for cranks and pistons. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. A lot more coming up, so do stay tuned. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. So till the next time, peace.